This Christmas, we here at Theme Park HD are redefining the HD as in holiday destinations. Join us as we kick off our festive journeys, first stopping this season at SnowDay experience here in Dallas, Texas, in its 6th year. Alright, let's go. All aboard. Oh.
Sorry to keep you waiting, folks. Let's get this show on the road. Full steam ahead. Santa's got a schedule to keep.
Alrighty, guys, we're not Spirit Airlines. If y'all want to switch around your seats, feel free to. No charge.
But first, we gotta get out of town. It's a good thing we're taking a train because traffic on 35 is terrible.
Look to your left and look to your right.
Now, if you look out your window to the right, you can see where Galleria down the Dallas Mall. Now next up, our express exit for a magical tunnel. Right under 5 doors. Getting close.
Well, we've left Dallas and they said our next stop is Santaland. I'm already seeing the landscape changing through my virtual window. Who can believe that? We were just in the city. I can't wait to see what's next.
Great. Rub it again.
Oh, that didn't sound so good. Does anyone want to get out and check that?
Alright, somebody goes, my legs hurt.
Oh, Ryan, hold your reindeer. I'll do it.
Alright, how do you look.
3, Santa! Oh, I think that worked. Oh, full steam ahead. oh, look at the meter. I haven't seen it going like that in the 500 years I've been working on this train. Well done. You got a lot of Christmas spirit.
Alright, guys, we're almost there.
What a magical ride through the theatrics, audio and visual presentations, and the spirit flying high. Looking around the train, everyone had big smiles on their face. As we departed the train, we immediately stepped into an enchanted landscape. Santa's forest, full of evergreens, snow, polar bears, and even that cold stuff coming from above. While video wasn't allowed behind the secret door, one could guess who awaited the other side. As we departed our beloved Saint Nick, we quickly found ourselves in the SnowDay realm. Come on, guys, let's go see what awaits us. Did you know the SnowDay realm has 11 areas, 1 cafe, and 30 miniature rooms, just as you see here on the screen? It is like a scavenger hunt for you, your kids, and your family as you make your way around the place. Our first stop is Peppermint Soda, where everything is, well, you guessed it, is peppermint themed. If only they had pumped in the smell to complete the perfection. Next up is a white room. Well, you can see why. How could one not get Polar Express vibes from this post office experience? From afar, it looked realistic. Once we dropped our mail at the post office, we wandered into a strange area called Christmas Trash, a selfie wall adorned with wallpaper and cheap decor, leading us into the ice tunnel, which had another digital photo opportunity. Next up on our stop was the Infinity Gingerbread Room. A cool place, literally, with cutouts multiplying down the aisle. What a cool experience it was. Pardon me, I seem to be upside down. Bear with me 1 second. Oh wait! This was their fan favorite room from previous seasons, reimagined this year for 2024. Make sure to get your digital photo in this room. It's too cool to pass up. Mirror maze. This says it all. Lost, in circles, and head spinning. The Ames room, where kids can be giants and adults can be kids. A kid's favorite. Infinity Forest, a room of enchantment, magic, mystery, and holiday spirit. Be on the lookout for the elf who's looking to restore the Christmas spirit. Our last stop in SnowDay, Space Shuttle, or more like Cousin Eddie's Winnebago. Hey, he did claim he was abducted by aliens on National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. This is a very hands-on experience once you go inside, with games, NORAD, and navigation as we make our way back to the real world. Once back in the real world, aka the souvenir shop where the kids want to buy stuff, we make our way towards the exit of this fantastic immersive experience. Make sure you check out the kaleidoscope with your smartphone before you leave. Thank you for joining us on our theme park HD holiday destination experience as we went through SnowDay here in Dallas, Texas at the Galleria Mall. Be on the lookout for our next stop as we make our way through this festive season.